Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, born on October 2nd, 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, is celebrated annually in India as Gandhi Jayanti. His life was rooted in the principles of truth, non-violence and social service, making him a key leader in the India's fight for independence. Educated in law in England, Gandhi first confronted racial discrimination in South Africa, where he developed the concepts of non-violence and satyagraha. Upon returning to India in 1915, he led major movements like Champaran Satyagraha in 1917, Non-Cooperation Movement in 1920, Salt Satyagraha in 1930, and Quit India Movement in 1942. Gandhi was assassinated on January 30, 1948, but his ideals continue to inspire globally. Lal Bahadur Shastri, born on October 2nd, 1904 in Uttar Pradesh, became India's second Prime Minister. Known for his simple life, high morals and patriotism, he was deeply involved in the Indian freedom movement, participating in Gandhi's non-cooperation movement and facing imprisonment multiple times. After independence, Shastri held various key government positions including Home Minister and Union Minister of Transport and Railways. In 1964, he succeeded Jawaharlal Nehru as Prime Minister. Following the 1965 Indo-Pakistani War, Shastri signed the Tashkent Agreement in January 1966. He died mysteriously a few hours later on January 11, officially reported as a heart attack, though questions remain about his death. K. Kamaraj, a key figure in Indian politics and former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, passed away on October 2, 1972. Born on July 15, 1903 in Villupuram, Tamil Nadu, Kamaraj was deeply involved in the Indian freedom struggle, participating in both non-cooperation and Quit India movements under Gandhi's leadership. After independence, he became a prominent leader in Tamil Nadu politics and played a crucial role in strengthening the Indian National Congress in the state. He served as Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu from 1954 to 1963. In 1972, Kamaraj resigned as Congress Party President and retired from active politics. On October 2, 2007, Major Dinesh Raghuraman of the 19th Battalion of Jet Regiment was martyred during the Baramulla operation. He was posthumously awarded the Ashoka Chakra, India's highest peacetime military honor. Tasked with capturing terrorists in the Baramulla area, Major Raman responded to the cries of an injured fellow officer during the firefight. He rescued two more injured soldiers and then advanced toward two terrorists responsible for heavy casualties. However, he was critically injured by gunfire from terrorists hiding nearby. Major Raman succumbed to his injuries at a military hospital in Srinagar. The Community Development Program, launched by Government of India on October 2, 1952, aimed to promote social and economic development in rural areas. Its primary objective was to make rural communities self-reliant and improve their standard of living by utilizing local resources. The program brought significant improvements in rural infrastructure and lifestyle. However, challenges like resource shortages and management issues arose during the implementation. Despite these hurdles, the program played a vital role in empowering rural communities and addressing their problems, marking an important step toward India's rural development. National Wildlife Week is celebrated annually on October 2nd to October 8th, aimed at protecting and preserving India's rich flora and fauna. Initiated in 1952 by the Indian Board of Wildlife, it was originally observed as Wildlife Day until 1955, before transitioning to a week-long event in 1957. Started on Gandhi Jayanti, the campaign promotes the conservation of animal life, educating people on the importance of wildlife preservation and discouraging the mass killing of animals. As a biological hotspot, India hosts over 7% of the world's biodiversity, making awareness and education vital for conserving this rich natural heritage. Wildlife Week was established to address this need.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels, and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.